In this screencast, you are going to learn about how to write expressions. So this once again refers to algebra, and you've seen some expressions written out already for you, but this is going to be taking a look at verbal phrases and then writing them using letters, symbols, and numbers if necessary. So if we take a look at this screen, it says algebra write expressions. There are 3 steps for writing an algebraic expression. Step 1 is describing the situation. Step using only the most important words. So you want to pull out important words. And I kind of have like a little T-chart diagram on the screen because I think it's really important for you to know some of the words that you might be seeing as you move through this lesson. So, for example, with the operation of addition, you might see the word sum, you might see the word total, you might see the word together. Sometimes you'll even see the word add. So 6 plus a number, so you might see the word plus as well. With subtraction, you might see the word difference. The word difference means subtraction. You may see less than. You may see fewer than. All of those mean subtraction. Then looking at multiplication, you may see the word times or multiplied. Or just the word by. You may also see the word product, the answer to a multiplication problem. So the word product is key. Just like the word sum is your answer to an addition problem, the word difference is your answer to a subtraction problem. And then finally looking at division, you may see the word quotient. You might see the words divided by or split. Those types of words mean division. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first example. Our first example says, write 10 cans more than Vanessa collected as an algebraic expression. So if I take a look at this and I go ahead and highlight 10 cans more than Vanessa collected, this information is what I am writing as an algebraic expression. So when I think about an algebraic expression, I know that I'm going to have numbers, symbols or operation signs, and a letter or a variable. So I know 10 cans more than Vanessa collected. Well, I know that more than means that I'm adding. And it looks like I'm adding 10 plus however many cans Vanessa collected. So I'm going to use the letter V. The letter V is going to represent the number of cans that Vanessa collected. And then in order to figure that out, I would add. If we take a look at our next example, it says Trad bought 2 movie tickets and 1 bottle of water. The water cost $2.50. Write an expression to represent the total amount he spent. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and highlight important things. So I know he bought 2 movie tickets. I know that he bought 1 bottle of water. I know the water costs $2.50. I do not know the cost of the movie ticket. So I need to think about what letter could I use for that. I'm going to use the letter C because that's what cost starts with. I know that 2 movie tickets, he bought 2 movie tickets, so he would pay 2 times the cost, plus 1 bottle of water. The water costs $2.50, so plus $2.50. This would be my final answer. Let's take a look at a few examples. If we take a look, we're going to define a variable and then write each phrase as an algebraic expression. So 7 fewer marbles than Dakota. I'm going to use the letter D to represent Dakota. 7 fewer marbles than Dakota. So if Dakota has 10 marbles, 7 fewer marbles than 10. So I know that it's going to be Dakota, or D, minus 7 would be my expression. Next question or statement, 1/3 the volume of the pool. I don't know the volume, so I'm going to use the letter V. And my expression would be 1/3 times V, or I could do V divided by 3. The next problem says 9 times the cost of a baseball. I don't know the cost of the baseball, so once again I'm going to use the letter C. I know that 9 is 9. Times would mean multiplication, so 9 times C. Last problem says me paid $8 to enter the carnival area and then bought 50 game tickets. Write an expression to represent the total amount she spent. Well, we don't know the cost of the game tickets. So I'm going to use the letter G for game tickets. And I know that she paid $8 to enter the carnival plus 50 game tickets times G. I can simplify that down to 8 plus 50 G. So then if they eventually tell me what the cost of each game ticket is, I can figure out the total amount that she spent.